Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary second year maths textbook exercise 6.10. Question number 1, the multiple choice questions. If vector A and vector B are parallel vectors, then dot product of vector A, C, B is equal. Here A and B is parallel vectors, then we can say vector A is parallel to vector B, then we can say vector A is equal to m times vector B. Therefore, we can say vector A, C, B. You can say M vector B and C, B. So, we can say it is M vector B, C, B. Therefore, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the option is 4. Question number 2. Vector alpha lies in the plane of vector B and vector gamma, vector beta and gamma, then that dot product of box product of vector alpha, vector beta, vector gamma is here. Since alpha vector lies on the plane vector B and vector gamma, now we can say vector alpha. Question number 2, vector alpha dot vector beta vector gamma equal 0 because he sees it lies vector alpha and vector beta lies on vector alpha lies on the plane of vector beta and vector gamma, therefore it is equal to 0. So this option 3. Question number 3. Vector A dot vector B vector dot vector C dot vector A equals 0. Then value of A, B, C. Here, question number 3. A, B, C is, because these are all unit vectors, therefore it is equal vector B, vector A, vector B, vector C, vector A, vector B, vector C. So because here all are unit vectors, therefore it is answer is this first option. Now next, question number 4. If vector A, vector B, vector C are three unit vectors such that A is perpendicular to B and is parallel to C, then A cross B cross C is equal. Here question number 4. A cross B cross C equal, you can write as A dot C vector B minus A B C. Here that we can say vector A dot vector C vector B. Here A and B is A is perpendicular to C. A is perpendicular to B. Then we can say A is perpendicular to B means A dot B is 0. So we have answer is, and also A and B are unit vectors, therefore we have the answer vector B. A dot C is unit vectors, then answer is vector B. So question number 4 is vector B. Now question number 5. If vector A, B, C is 1, box product is 1, then the value of this one, look at this here, A dot B cross C, C dot cross, like here in order, but here the third term is changing the order. C A B, but C B A. Here interchanged. It should be B C A. So we have to keep it. Third one is should be minus. Therefore, here, therefore it is, these are equal things. We can put 1. This also we can put 1, but this we can put minus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 is 1. Answer is option 1. Here question number 6. Here the volume of parallel pipe which its edge is represented by the vectors I plus j, j plus I plus 2j, ij plus pi k is, here the volume is ij is 1 1 1 0 1 2 0, k is not there, and 1 1 pi. We'll expand this volume of parallel pipe is equal 1 into 2 pi minus 0 minus 1 2 pi 1 here 1 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 pi minus 0 plus 0 into 1 minus 2. Here we have expansion is wrong here. We will do one more time. 1 into 2 pi minus 0 minus 1 into pi minus 0 plus 0 into 1 minus 2 equal 2 pi minus pi plus 0, which is equal pi. So volume of parallel pipe is pi. Answer 3. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.